Hello children, welcome back to a new session. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is lesson number 8, mapping your pay. Now let us start. You might have heard about various kinds of map in social studies. Maps of various states, countries, world map, etc. And you might have also heard about Google Maps. Nowadays it is very common. We can find the position of any spot or any place very easily with the help of Google Map. Now today we are going to discuss about some map of that kind only. So there is one introduction given with one small incident of Ashi. Ashi is a girl. She is going to see Republic Day parade with her children of her school. Then, as the children settle down, they hear one announcement through the loudspeaker. What was the announcement? To the right of the president is India Gate. That is, what we see on the right side is the India Gate. And this was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. That is, the announcement was saying that the India Gate was built in memory of Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. So not only these children, so many people come from different parts of the country to see the Republic Day parade. So all people were sitting on both the sides of Rajpath Road. Rajpath is the main road along which the parade passes. Children are talking about the building that you can see around them. Now they are speaking about the different buildings that they see around them. See, what are the buildings that you can see in the figure? See, here is a picture given. See, this is the picture of India Gate, and you can see this is the Rajpath Road, and here are the children sitting. You can see here, see one boy is saying that, look at Didi, this is India Gate. He is showing to India Gate towards the left side and saying that, see, this is India Gate. So another boy is saying that, sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. So that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. That is, towards the left side there is India Gate, and there sir told them that the building which is at the end of this road facing India Gate will be the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so this point is very important. That is, the at the end of this road, the building which is facing India Gate is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So they got the idea. Now children are waiting here to see the parade. Now we have another photo which is taken by the helicopter. That photo is given. The same place photo taken by helicopter is also given here. This is the photo. You see, this is photo, not the map. This is the photo. You can see where is the position of India Gate here. Here, see, this is the position of India Gate. This is the India Gate. You can see here. So where is Rajpath? This biggest road, this one I am showing here, this biggest road will be the Rajpath road. So you can find the position of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where is the position of Rashtrapati Bhavan? This, that is at the end of this road, the building opposite to India Gate. This is the building I am showing here with the pointer. This building which is opposite to the India Gate at the end of the Rajpath road will be Rashtrapati Bhavan. So this is Rashtrapati Bhavan and this is India Gate. Okay children, is it clear for you? Now we can see some roads which are crossing this Rajpath. Which are they? See, first one. One road is crossing here, one road is crossing here, and one road is crossing here. This is one chowk, Vijay Chowk. That is also there. Okay, so that is there in the photo. Now here we can see a central position like that, which is a crossroad like that. Many roads are crossing here. Here is one road, here is one road, here down also one road, here is one road, here is one road, and middle again small roads are also there. Okay, so and here is the position of India Gate. Now it is clear. So this is about the photo. This is about the photo. Now the same photos, that route map is given next. See, This is the map 1. Okay. Now you see, we have to compare this map with this photo. First one is photo and second one is map. Okay, map of the same photo is given. Now we will compare and see the position of map with the photo. See, here is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where is Rashtrapati Bhavan in the photo here? See, yes, yeah. Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is written also here. And this vertical road will be the Rajpath. Here, which is a vertical road? This one. See, this vertical road will be Rajpath. Is it clear? Now, here is the, where is the position of India Gate here? Here is the position of India Gate. Where it will be in the diagram, in the map here. Here will be the position of this greenish part will be, this point will be India Gate. Okay. Now here this portion, that is the crossroad like that portion, is this one. Okay. We can understand here. And these are the different roads. See this road. He see in the photo, and that will be which road? Kasturba Gandhi Marg. Okay. And here this road, this biggest road will be, what will be? Tilak Marg. Okay. You can find it here. And here left side you can see Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. Where is it? This one. This one will be Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. And the top here, this will be Mansingh Road. This crossroad. This crossroad. Where is that? This one. This crossroad will be. This crossroad will be Mansingh Road. Okay. And just above that, which one? Janpad. This one will be. This crossroad will be Janpad. And again after that, which one will be? Rafi Mark. This one will be Rafi Mark. And above that, that will be Vijay Chowk. This position will be Vijay Chowk. Okay. So all the roads and the buildings which are marked in the map, we can see in the photo. Their position we can see in the photo. Here see in the map, last what is marked here? National Stadium. And is it there in the photo? No. Here in the map it is marked, that is this road here ending, there is National Stadium. Now if you see in the map that road only beginning is there, ending is not shown. Ending is not shown. So here at the end of this road there will be National Stadium, which is not shown in the photo, but it is shown in the map. You understood? So we have compared the roads and the other monuments which are marked in the map with the photo. Now 4 questions are given. We have to find the answer of those questions from this map and the photo. Okay, let us move on to question. See, question number 1. Match the map and the photo. The photo and match both we have compared now. Have you seen the map of a city? Look at map 1, match it with the photo and find out where India Gate is. Draw it on the map. See, have you seen the map of cities? Yes, we have seen it. And we can find the position of India Gate also. See, this is the map. Okay, we have to find the position of India Gate. I have already explained that where is the position of India Gate here. Here will be the position of India Gate. I have made a red circle here so that you can understand here is the position of India Gate, and I have written, see here, India Gate. Understood? Here not, I have drawn a line here, this red marked circle, that is this position will be the position of India Gate. Okay. And here will be the position of stadium in the map, but it in the photo it is not seen at all. Okay, you got it? Now which are the different roads we are seeing? If you start from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, first Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, seeing which road is coming? Rafi Marg, Janpad Road and Mansingh Road. These are the 3 crossroads coming. That is the next question we will see it. See. Next question. Some roads are shown in this map and look at them for in the photo. We have seen that photo and map we already compared. So we can find the position of roads in the photo we have seen now. Now question number 3. Name the roads that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Which were the roads we have seen just now? Rafi Marg, Janpad Road and Mansingh Road. These are the 3 roads which are crossing that Rajpath. Then look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? Yes, we cannot see it in the photo, but it is marked in map 1. Okay. So these are the 4 questions depending on those map. Now, today we will conclude the session here. We will continue tomorrow again. Thank you.